Hello everyone, going to do a review about a new Moreart diorama, to be precisely Street Scene Assembly Series 02 models. And here we got a barcode and article number. And as a bonus, I'm also going to do a review about this new Porsche from Timemicro, and it comes with a duck. Exactly, with a duck. Okay, let's have a quick look at the box. Here's some text. Freeze the frame if you want to read it. And I'm going to open it. And we see an instruction manual. Maybe we need it, maybe we don't. We have a cable, USB port, and this port right here, which means it comes with power. Pretty big package. Yes, this was the thing that triggered me, the vegetation. I always like when a model comes with a vegetation. That makes it more realistic, and I'm a big nature fan. Is this another instruction manual? Yep, I've got two instruction manuals. Well, why not? Okay, let's take the plastic off. Go. Did a lot of reviews about Moreart dioramas, and I'm a big fan from Moreart. If you want to buy a good diorama for a good price, Moreart is the perfect brand for it. Okay, let's see. Let's be careful with the vegetation. We got this right here. We got another cable. Soon we will find out for what it is. We got this here. Oh, they already put the vegetation on the building. I like that. You don't have to do it yourself. Ooh, there's a cable right here. So I assume that it goes... Yeah, we'll find that out later. Paper. So I think this is the base right here, and this is the display case that goes around it. You don't have to do that, but if you hate dust, my advice, do it. Oh, look at this, how nice. More art here underneath it. Probably the top or the front. We will find that out later. First, we're going to make sure that we get a building. Yes. See, you have to be careful with that. I'm going to put that here on the side. Okay. I'm going to ask the instruction manual what to do. So I've got 4 walls. Yeah, there's the front. Insert the 4 panels of the wall according to the corresponding hole position of the bottom plate. Okie-doo. Get one right here. We get one right here. So this should be going here because you see a wire. Can't place it anywhere else. So I'm going to put this one right here. Yep, and there's a light inside, and there's also this here, huh? Yeah, this belongs to the building. This goes here in the front, yep. And then I need a side panel. believe this goes here. I hope I'm doing it right. I have no idea what I'm doing. I think I have to do it like this. Okay. Yep. And I think this goes in right here. Yep, there we go. Feels solid. And then the one in the front. Not sure why we have this inside. I mean, it's not that you can have a good look inside. Okay, make sure that the vegetation is all right here. Yeah. Place it there. Yep. I'm going to put that so like this. I like the vegetation. They did really good with it, I have to say. So like this. Then we have these two. A long and a short goes right here. One. Make sure the vegetation is here. Make the vegetation a little bit fluffy. And of course, if you want, you can also use some glue. But I think it already looks very nice. Then I need this right here. Where do I have to put it? I think it comes right here. Okay, we have this cable. And we also have this. And I think this, okay, this is a sticker. And it should come right here. But I need to know if it has to be like this or like this. Back in a sack. It has to be like this. And if not, well, then not. There we go. Easy with a sticker. You don't need any glue. Push it. Then we make this a little bit more fluffy. And I'm also going to try if I can do that a little bit with this. So make it a little bit more. There we go. Here we go. Okay. I think I'm going to use a little bit of glue. For this side right here. So not sure what this is for. Anyways, it looks very nice. I have to fix it a little bit more. And I'm going to use some glue for this right here. So I'm going to do some modification. And then at the end you will see the result. Okay, I did some small modifications right here, here, and I thought it would be nice to add a tree. This tree is, by the way, also from Moreart, still available on the website. Not sure if this building is still available. Then I want to know, let's put the tree right here. Let's use this one right here. So there are two boards. Place it in this one. Click. And then we put it in the power bank. Yeah. No lights. Nothing. Place it in the other power bank. And we have light. A lot of light. Woohoo! So, oh my god. I think that's a little bit too much light in my opinion. But there is light, huh? Holy smoke. And now I can have a look inside. You can also see the back. Yeah, it's for... Let's see if I can... That's better. And then you can see the I think it's the heating in the back. And you decide what goes in the store. But I don't think I'm going to use the light a lot. I think this is way cooler. Okay, then I'm having a car that will go with this diorama. I'm not going to put the protection around it. Nope, I'm going to use it without. Okay, this can go out. Put this one right here, and then we're going to have a look at the Porsche from Timemicro, which is also a part of Moreart. Collect Timemicro to share joy. Here we got some information. Freeze the frame if you want to read it. So it's a Porsche 992 GT3 RS Big Duck. Got a lot of models from Timemicro and they're always fantastic. And most of the time they have a metal base, and I hope that is still the case. Nice display case. So here we have the duck, and I live close to the beach, so it would be cool to have a Porsche with a duck on top. And this is how you put the duck on the rooftop. Thanks for the duck, and also thanks for not gluing the duck on the rooftop of the Porsche. Pretty cool, right? Okay, so here also nice base, limited edition. This is 491 out of 999 pieces. 992 GT3 RS. Yeah. Let's take it off the base to have a better look. Lovely yellow color, very well detailed. Good dashboard, windscreen wipers have details. Black lens lights, good rolling wheels with a brake claw, brake disc, carbon fiber spoilers. Also good rolling wheels in the back. How's the interior? Black interior, but we got a, I hope you can see it, a Porsche logo on the steering wheel. Let's go right here. Can we see the Porsche logo? A little bit. Yep. Yellow seats. And here we have the back. These are painted lights or decal, is it? It's a decal. Ooh, nice with the Porsche here underneath. And yep, a metal base with not much details. And the tires in the back are as wide as in the front. I think the tires in the back should be a little bit wider. But overall, a very nice looking and detailed model. Okay. Here we go. A very nice looking diorama for your Diecast cars. And if you don't like dust, this is what you need. I'm not going to do that. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and share. Click, click, click. And I'll see you soon. Bye.